What's up everyone, this is Phil from Various Technology, and today we are unboxing the Philips Norelco Oneblade. This is a very popular trimmer, so it offers super high quality trimming at a budget price. You can get this as little as about $30 US, or you can get it in Canada for probably about $40 to $50. Check out the links down below if you're interested in picking one of these up. I'll include those links so you guys can check out current pricing, but let's go ahead and unbox this one, and it looks like it's got some tabs and stuff on the bottom and on the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my knife and cut those. So there is tabs on the top, the bottom, and on the sides. If you want, you can use your nail and kind of pull these tabs up and peel them, but I just cut these side ones and the bottom one with a knife. I pulled the top one off, but let's go ahead and open it up now and see what's inside of this. And there we go. On the back, so we've got a charger, and it looks like a proprietary charger. So if you need another one of these, you might need to buy a new razor or buy one online. I'm not too sure, but there's the charger port. And then we've got, these are the blades, it looks like, for it. And looks like we've got some different size trimming blades. So it comes with 3 different sizes of blades, as you can see right there. There we go. And what else do we have? We've got the instruction booklets, and it looks like we've got a $10 off for a 2-pack. That would be handy. I guess you can, I heard you can use these up to like maybe 4 months without having to replace the blades. And the blades are quite expensive though to replace. So let's go ahead and unbox this part here and figure out how this comes out. There we go. So that kind of comes out from there. And then we've got the blade all nicely there, and it looks like these 2 arrows are telling me to point this way. So if I point them in, it should technically pop off. So once you pinch these 2 blades, you can actually just pull it right off. It just unloosens this part right here. And there we have it right there. So let's take a closer look at it. So there it is, the nice blade right there, all perfectly on there for you already. And then we've got the power switch on here, which, yeah, it does have some power out of the box, so that's good. So we don't necessarily have to charge it right away. I'm sure it's not a full charge, but we should probably charge it up right away. And there is your charging port on the bottom right there. So let's go ahead and open up the actual package of the charger and just see how it kind of plugs in here. I've never seen this before, so let's go ahead. So there's the kind of 2 circles right there, and let's just go ahead and plug this right here and see how that goes. Actually, it only goes one way, so it goes the other way, so it does align, and that goes in nice and easily. No big deal right there. But really nice trimmer and blade. And actually on the packaging itself right here, I forgot that there's one more blade right there. So it looks like we've got, what do we have here? We've got, oh, this is actually just a protective piece. So this one you can open up, and then you can kind of store your razor if you want to. There you go. So that's one protector piece, and then we've got the 3 different size blades. So you can use the actual blade that's on there right now, or these are the trimmers, so there's different sizes and stuff. But there it is, the Philips Norelco Oneblade. So a cool trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, but that's your unboxing of it. And like I said, check out the link in the description below for current pricing if you guys want to pick one up.